Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri and we're going to look at 2015 Audi S8 with only 43,000 miles, original factory condition, and the original MSRP of over $125,000. Just think of it, $1/2 of the $250,000. That's a lot of money. And it also is a phenomenal value. If you check out the listing on our website, confirm availability, you will also learn the condition of the car, which as I said, it has original factory paint, which means it had no previous body work or paint work on the body panels. All the body panels are straight. There are no chips, no dents. We're going to get inside the car in just a moment. There are no major damage or scuffs to the bumper. Rear bumper has a one small light dent right there, but no paint damage. Let's look at the front bumper. Awesome grille work on the Audi. I love it. Yeah, the front bumper looks very, very nice. Minimal to no chips or imperfections on the hood. Let's take a peek inside the car. The luxury in the Audi A8 is stunning. The S8 takes it to a completely different level. Check out the quality of the leather seats. And I think the best spot in this car is actually in the rear when you are being driven, though it's a lot of fun when you are the driver of this car. Look at the fancy lights. Everything about this car is very, very fancy. When you check out the original window sticker, you're going to notice that it has a carbon fiber detail on the interior. Check that out. And by the way, all the switches, everything looks nice and fresh, not overused. The car only has 43,000 miles. We're going to look at the engine. V8 turbo. Okay. Everything is nice and clean and fresh. Again, very low mileage. We're going to get the car started. I drove this car a couple days ago before it got detailed, and I was absolutely blown away with not only the performance, but just how quiet and how luxurious the car is. So let's get it started. I'm actually going to put the microphone by the exhaust so we can hear the exhaust tune. Let's check that out. So I'm going to put the mic, put it right here. LED lights. Exhaust tune. Inside, it's still a beautiful, luxurious environment. We are going to now hear the engine. Very, very quiet. Even though it's a direct injection that usually makes a lot louder ticking sound from the injectors, which is normal. This car is very, very quiet. Let's close the hood. It is super quiet. Check out the headlights. (2015) Audi S8 twin turbo. Close to impeccable condition. Tires, rims, everything is top notch. Minimal to no imperfections on the rims. Very clean car and an awesome value here from AlphaCars. And there are so many goodies inside this interior. It is absolutely insane. And I love the carbon fiber. Tastefully done on this car. So we are going to wrap up this video. And if you want to stay for another minute, we're going to mention what else we have in the showroom. We are a dealer for Royal Enfield motorcycles. So you're always going to find Royal Enfield Continental GT, Interceptor, Himalayan, and we even have a Bullet. It's not in the showroom, but we have it. Here is the BSA that we just sold. Look at this gorgeous bike. Thunderbolt 650. Here's the Continental GT, Royal Enfield. And here is the 2020 Himalayan. We finally have bikes to sell. We were sold out for the longest time. Once again, thank you very much for viewing this video. And don't forget to like the video if you did and subscribe to our AlphaCars channel.